If you're coming to the UK to study, you might be wondering, will HMRC tax the money your family sends from back home? Here is the truth. Most international students don't pay UK tax on their overseas income, but some surprising exceptions could catch you out. In this video, I will show you exactly when students are exempt, when you may need to pay, and how double taxation agreements could save you thousands. Hi, I'm Rubina, a qualified accountant with over 20 years of experience simplifying complex tax and money matters so you don't have to. Welcome to our Tax on Foreign Income series. If you missed the first video on UK foreign income tax rules, I will leave the link in the description. Watch that after this to get the full picture. But today, let's zoom in on foreign students in the UK. Whether you are here for a degree, a short course, or postgraduate study, I will help you understand how HMRC views your overseas income and how to avoid unnecessary taxes. Tax-free for most students. The good news, most foreign students do not pay UK tax on money from abroad as long as it is only used for tuition fees, rent, food and living expenses, bills and study materials. So, if your family sends money to cover your basic costs, you usually don't need to worry about UK tax. The 15,000 rule and HMRC checks. But here is the catch. If your living costs are more than 15,000 in one tax year, that is April to April, HMRC may ask questions. Course fees don't count in this limit. If your spending seems unusually high, HMRC could check where the money came from to ensure you are not hiding taxable income. When students must pay UK tax, you might have to pay UK tax if your country has no double taxation agreement with the UK for students. You earn other overseas income you don't bring to the UK. You bring money here but spend it on things other than living cost or tuition. You decide to stay in the UK permanently. In tax terms, this is called having a UK domicile. Working while studying. Now, what if you take a part-time job? Some double taxation agreements mean you won't pay UK tax on your earnings if you are still classed as a student. But if your country doesn't have this agreement, you will pay UK tax like any other UK worker. Here is a tip. Always check if your country has a double taxation treaty with the UK. It can save you from paying tax twice on the same income. So here is the key takeaway. Your study money is safe from UK tax if it's used for tuition and living costs. But if you work in the UK, send large amounts, or plan to stay permanently, the rules might change. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss the next part in this series. And tell me in the comments, are you studying in the UK right now? What is your biggest confusion about UK taxes? I would love to hear your thoughts.